Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Make sure the phone is unlocked and supports the carrier bands you need. Once done, power off the phone to protect the modem. Use the tray tool or a paperclip to eject the SIM tray. This prevents damage. Carefully place the Internet SIM with the gold contacts facing down and the notch aligned so it seats flush. After inserting, reinsert the tray and power the phone on. This ensures the hardware recognizes the new module immediately. Once the phone boots, look for carrier signal or an activation prompt. Some providers push an SMS or QR with activation. If you get a code, enter it when asked. Otherwise, call the carrier or follow the provider app prompts. Next, go to Mobile Network Settings and create or edit the APN profile. This tells your phone how to route data. Enter the carrier's APN name, APN value, and any username or password. Save and select that APN so the device uses the correct network parameters. You finish by verifying data. Open a web page or run a speed test and confirm the 4G/5G or LTE icon appears. If you see no connection, first toggle airplane mode or reboot the phone to force a network re-register. Make sure the APN matches exactly. Small typos prevent access. As a final step, swap the SIM into another phone to isolate hardware from account issues. If still down, contact the carrier and provide your IMEI and SIM number so they can check provisioning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.